Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Nick F. in Illinois. This is your Lescom LC995. Just going to show you some of the updates I've got done. First off, I've upgraded your filter, your IL filter, from a 25 kilohertz wide filter to a 15 kilohertz wide filter. I've upgraded the first RF amp. I've also upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad. Okay, same thing with the DC input buffer filter. It's been upgraded from a 1000 to a 3300. All right, and I'm taking out the IRL 520s and going to replace them with the FQP 13N10s. And as soon as I started taking them out, I've noticed that a lot of the, well, two of the insulators are broken, but I've got new insulators, so that's not a problem. I'll be replacing those. Okay, more to come. Okay, turns out there was only one broken one, not two like I thought originally. The other two are fine. There's the two good ones. And there's the three transistors I just took out. Alright, I got to clean up all of this crap. I wonder if they think they put enough damn heatsink compound on there. What a mess. More to come. Okay, that's about as clean as I'm going to be able to get it. I don't really have anything to force it out of those screw holes there. I used my WD-40 contact cleaner, and it is contact cleaner, it's not oil, to get almost all of that thick white crap out of there, but I couldn't get it to come out of the holes, and it was washing over the back here, and so now I got to clean that up. But anyway, I got a nice smooth surface there. I'll be able to put some fresh heatsink compound on there, and I'm not going to gob it on. Okay, more to come. Okay, started to put the insulators on there, and remembered I needed to show you that how much heatsink compound I put on there. Now this one over here on the right is spread back and forth because this transistor actually mounts at an angle. So I wanted to make sure that I got it. So that's why it's wider than what these two are. Okay, got the FQP 13N10s installed. Got the BIOS set. And let's see, I'm on AM right now. I've got a 50 watt slug in that side and a 100 watt slug in that side. The 100 watt is on the peak side. The peak meter is set at ×1. Okay, there's the RMS meter. See if I can steady the camera here for you. Audio, hello audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. That's about 96 watts peak. What do we do in RMS? Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2 audio. About 22.5, 23. That was on the AM. I'm going to switch to lower sideband. Hello audio 1 2. That's over 40 watts RMS. Audio, hello audio 1 2, and about 80 watts peak in sideband. Okay. And it's cool as a cucumber. I know how to set these things up, guys. Most folks don't. It's you don't set it up the way it says to do it in the manual. If you do, you're going to burn them up. I have my own way to do it. I get a lot of power out of them, and they last forever. Now these things are very sensitive to bias voltage. If you set the bias voltage up incorrectly, it will smoke them, and it'll do it quick. Okay. All right, sir. And that was that 80 watts and 96 watts peak, 96 on AM and 80 on sideband was without the CP1. I'm getting ready to put the CP1 in there now. Okay. So it'll be going in there next. I'm going to mount it on the bottom underneath this guy here. More to come. Okay. There's your CP1. I've got him installed, tested, and I'm getting ready to hook up your high cut. Okay, Nick, got your clarifier mod done. Both transmit and receive slide with the fine tune and coarse tune. Okay. This ain't gonna work because I got to move that so you can see that it went up. Move that so you can see that it went down. I'm turning the fine-tune knob right there. Okay. We're back on center slot right there. Okay. Let's see if I can get the camera where you can see the frequency counter. Hang on just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the camera propped up now so you can see the frequency counter. Key in the radio. Turn in the fine tune. That's all the way up. That's all the way down. So about 1 kC up and almost 1 kC down. That was the fine tune. Here's the coarse tune. Going up. Yeah, it's about 10.5 up. And a little more than 5 down. That's about 6 down. So you got 10 up, 6 down. That's about 16 kC a slide. Oh, let's see. It will go down further if you tune. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, it won't. Okay. I was thinking it would go down further if you turned fine tune, but it doesn't. I think it will go up further if you turn, yeah. You turn fine tune, it goes up further. Okay. But to keep the knobs centered up, and you know these controls are not linear. To keep the mark centered up on the knob, I'm centering, putting center frequency at 12 o'clock. Okay, so just remember you got a whole lot more slide up than you do down, but you can get down to the 5 kC point without any problem. Okay. Okay, Nick, give you one final shot of the output power. Meter on the right is RMS, meter on the left is peak. I got a 50 watt slug in the RMS meter, and I got a 100 watt slug in peak, and the peak multiplier is set to times 1. So we're going to be reading on the bottom scale on the right meter, and we'll be reading on the center scale on the left meter. Left is RMS, right is peak. Okay, and let's see, I'm on AM channel 20. That's RF power all the way up. Dead key in about 25 watts. I'm going to turn RF power all the way down. Okay, that's about 9 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio. But look at that swing. Okay, RF power is all the way back up now. I'm going to switch to lower sideband. Don't worry, sidebanders, I'm on the dummy load. Okay, that's power all the way up, mic gain all the way up. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2, audio. You can see our RMS is 40 watts and peak is about 80. Okay. Alright, let me get the covers on it and I'll be back. Okay, Nick wanted to show you the receiver. I'm on channel 20 in the AM mode. We're at 100 microvolts at 30% modulation. Okay, see that one right there? That's 100 microvolts. I'm on the 300 microvolt scale. That's an S9 on AM. Just a touch over S9 on sideband. Okay. All right. More to come. Nick F. in Illinois. This is your Lescom improved LC995 V2. Okay. She's all finished, all done. All I got to do now is a 24-hour burn-in, and then box it up and ship it out. Nick, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 7-3, everybody.